Tutorial 17, Auditing Changes. In this video, we'll look at how we can add auditing information for data changes in your application. To do this, we will enable the auditing feature on our streams and also add a new dashboard that will display the audit information. From the repository browser, open up the analysis model contacts. Select the businesses stream to open its configuration form. And here, we will tick Audit Manual Changes. We must now add three special attributes: Update Action, Updated By Name, and Updated Time. PhixFlow will use these attributes to populate the audit information. The attribute names must match exactly what I'm entering here. The full names can be found in the notes section below. If the names do not match exactly, then PhixFlow will not be able to provide the audit information. For this last attribute, the updated time, we must change the type to be date time. Now, when we enter data via the dashboard, the audit information will be captured. Later in this video, we'll look at how we can capture audit information for imported data. Save all of your changes and open up the business's dashboard. Switch to app mode and update some of the records so that we create some audit information to access in the next section. When you finish making your changes, switch back to design mode and in the repository, add a new dashboard. We will call this Business All History. We will use this to display our audit information. Save your changes and open the analysis model Contacts. Select the businesses stream and in its configuration form, we will drag the icon onto our new dashboard and select Grid. Select all of the attributes and drag them onto the Grid View header on our dashboard. In the Stream View configuration form on the right hand side, we will update the name of our view to be Business All History. In order for PhixFlow to display audit information on a view, we must tick Include Historic Records. Now, when we save our changes, we will see the audit information for the changes that we made earlier. We must now create a menu item on our business's dashboard that allows us to access the audit information. You should be familiar with these steps from the previous videos. I'm going to add an action to my business's stream that will open up the new dashboard we created. With the menu item added, switch into app mode to test your new dashboard. With the dashboard working correctly, switch back into design mode and hide the UID. I'll resize the window so that I can see the information a little more easily. And as with all views, it's a good idea to add a default sort order. Feel free to resize any of the columns to better display the information. Finally, we will add audit information for imported data. Open up the configuration form for the business's stream. We will now add some values to our audit attributes. For the update action, we'll set this to be the string import, as we know that we'll always be importing when this stream runs. Update by name, we'll use the predefined _user to access user information, followed by .name to get the user's name. More information about internal variables can be found in the PhixFlow help. Last of all, let's set the updated time to equal now. Open the business's dashboard and switch to app mode. We will now import the third import business file. This will import a record called EDQ Empire. find this record and update it. Now, when we look at the audit information, we'll see two entries, the initial import followed by the update. Note that the dark grey rows indicate that these are old versions of the record. The non-dark grey rows indicate the current version.